Hello all, welcome back to the channel. This is Katonya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. It is time for our stretch break. So let's take it down to the floor, or you can do this in the bed, wherever you're comfortable. We're going to sit so that our knees are flexed. And our focus today is going to work the glutes and a little bit of shoulders. So just a side to side little rock here. This feels so good, especially on the floor, because the pressure of the floor allows you to get a little massage there. So just a gentle side to side, abdominals in. And I'm so glad that you're here, taking care of yourself so you can be healthy, rejuvenated, refreshed. Because you are important, you are valued, you are loved, and you're here for a great purpose. So I'm so glad that you took the time out to tune in to my channel and just stretch with me, relax with me, and get refreshed. So let's go ahead and crisscross those legs now. Sitting on your sit bone, up nice and tall. If you need to, you can sit on a foam block or a pillow or something to give you a little lift to make it more comfortable for you. And we're just going to just side to side motion here and just relax your neck. See if you can let it go. I know if you feel a tension in the neck, it may be a challenge, but do your best to just move with the flow of your breath. Take a nice breath and release. Feels good. Okay, one more. Okay, now up nice and tall, rotate about 45 degrees, and we're just going to see if we can bring the chest down towards the thigh, walking it out with our fingers. Relax the shoulders and just keep going till you're comfortable and you feel a little stretch. Perhaps a little rock might help to relax you. Or if you like, you just melt down, nice big breath, relaxing into it. And rolling up. Let's go to the other side and walk it out. Take your time. Drop those shoulders down. Relax the neck. Gentle rock if possible. And melting down a little more. Now let's roll it up. Very nice. What we're going to do is recross those legs. Excellent. And let's start with that rock side to side. Relaxing the neck. One more. And let's rotate side. Go ahead and walk it out. As far as you're comfortable, relax those shoulders. Little rock. Melt down. And we'll roll up. Other side. Remember, you're going to go as far as you're comfortable. Walk it out. Relax the shoulders. Really reach out. Little rock. Melting down. Rolling up. Good. Let's just release those legs out to the side or however far you're comfortable. You can get your hands behind you just to give you a little lift up on the sit bone and just bounce those knees a little bit, either same time, alternate. And let's flex the foot and gently point, going through the metatarsals. Yummy. Good, a little bounce. Both together. Flex point. Very nice. And we're going to take it to a side stretch. Going to reach it over as far as you're comfortable. Pull the abdominals in. Really reach. Feel the stretch on the side of the waist. Opening up. And other side over. Oh, that's so good. And open out. Again, if you want to put the hand on the inside, that's fine. Good. And one more, wherever you're comfortable for the arm. And reach. Up. Very nice. Shake it out. You're going to just bring those legs in slowly. Keep that flexibility. Great job. Appreciate you. Hit that like button and do subscribe if you haven't already. Consider it. And head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com because now we offer memberships. Yay. All right. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace and love. Ta-ta.